Hey, what's going on everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a $100 DoorDash coupon code, completely free. Yes, you heard that right. That's up to $100 worth of food delivered straight to your door, and you won't have to pay a single cent. I'll walk you through the exact steps using just your phone. It's super easy, takes like 5 minutes, and works on both iPhone and Android. No credit card, no scam, no catch. If this works for you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment to help other people find this while it's still available. Alright, let's get into it. Step 1. Grab your phone and open your browser. Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever you use. Then go to this site, twistycoupons.com. Once you're there, scroll until you see the offer that says DoorDash $100 coupon. Tap on it. You'll see a little countdown or message showing how many codes are left, and these go fast, so don't sleep on it. Now, when you tap the offer, the coupon code is going to be locked. To unlock it, you just need to complete 2 sponsor offers. These are 100% free. No payment, no sketchy stuff. The sponsors are just apps that want new users. Examples of the tasks you might get. Download an app and open it. Try a free game and reach a certain level, or install a VPN app and connect once. Super easy. Most of these take only a few minutes. Once you complete 2 offers, go back to the website and the $100 DoorDash code should unlock automatically. If it doesn't, just complete one more task to be safe. Once it's unlocked, copy your code, open your DoorDash app, go to the promo code section, and paste it in. Done. You just scored up to $100 in free food. Enjoy it. No strings, no tricks, just a few minutes of your time and you're getting meals on the house. If this worked for you, smash that like button, subscribe for more free code tutorials, and comment what you ordered first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.